Dr. Cash, Busa, KNUSC, AMSED, Legon, UCC, all technical universities. Sa loan na abaye kano. Time bena payment no mo yeno. Though and no more improve a guarantee.
Mama akwaba wa friend Ajwa searching Mesrel now wa subscribe to my channel. Me and notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo headmasters eno mujinem ekasa ede ema eye student a omo training college omo say student loan na NDC for person omo replace no rates eye allowance no enya dia ebeboa emboa bako posi into almost NDC for omo maintain allowance no na student loan no it will not help papa obo ebeboa it will help ankasa ye wagana ha and a teachers na nurses a omuko school eya aban emomala wakakra se ne be obetwitwa omo nurses to me kwajala wan sala wan ya agi so amane yento na me I am not sure say training college for no they are complaining. They are not complaining no, and they can't even complain. Almost they are okay. Yaba to abano nurses for almost they are okay. Omo ajala wan ba omo to abano. And the news say after election no say NDC for winner enya dia alawano mo be continue elsewhere. Na omo nursing trainer teacher training sisi ano e yo omo ko free SHS. Omo say den e na adwen say den ye adwuma sa. Enti me nye sure say 2012 13 14 15 won no omo ni me ekoso. Ana say me nim say na omo nim say alawa na NDC for you. Na alawa na omo atwem no I don't think say affect your mo. Nti mo amu gire nchen ma comment na de mu nja because students na nkasa na omo gine affect obo. They are okay. They are okay with the student loan. Nti ma no omo nje loan no. Omo we school no omo ye adwuma omo atete omo no omo atue scam because at the end of the day no Ghana resources and omo nye say scan film. Taxpayers money and omo nye say scan film. Nti so omo so omo mpa ye kwan hallelujah. Nti no mo mu gire nchen ma comment na de no nurses na teachers no they are comfortable with the idea NDC for the day ban because they knew it and some omo ko gina ballot paper 7th December take omo the section and they believe say they made a good decision. They took bold decision for voting for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na NDC amayoko no Timo amugina echi complain de Calvin Keller nende otene platform so to man no samo ye mo ye nwan excuse my language because alawano kwa mujia obi di koto provisions gogu ni store mu obi di bi ko hard nine enti na hu hia so mbetu alawano and it's perfect yes enti no teacher okasa the headmaster pacho alawano emboa de na beboa ubo akra ebeboa yenti enti my headmaster e de etuja
Mene ubesi krano minister sanka say for the time being no student loan no ebeye adwuma alongside the allowance system okay until say ebia full transition be take place and say omone print of for no ebetena normal siginaye but bebia ogina ene de ehun from afar afuto be na de ma print of for no say the be next time no omone minister ekosin konwa Ombetumi aka asem amanato minister adwuno ma hu se alawa no they being part of the stakeholders ombegina brand say yetwamu a ana sa aban twamu a enye
Dr. Cash I say my main can be prinko for this is what I see sika was aban to say feeding on the feeding of school for no was aban de ba na nyame anim ni say sika na ma wa no Inti Prinko for no, I can say on authority say individually we need be doing how management of the school no as a how kakra. It is a bias who yes who have make control say or more dear for the sake of administration no a beer na ayo mode because a buy if you want the students na the betia inti students and so the be school which you fees inti what the year duanyama wa na say bibia when say wuntu ya winidi enti omono ebia justification e to dan so a sebi nyansa ni ba akofo tirim sometimes yana me catch some of these institutions no omo ko negotiations that they need to speak to people omo was said or in some of these areas, you know. I was also history of this policy. A in the free back. Dr. Cash, Busa, KNUSC, AMSED, Legon, UCC, all technical universities. Sa loan na abaye kano. Time burner payment no mo yeno. Though and no more improve a guarantee free and anybody to me be a school 2 months into the semester. Not loan no emaye. Not nichiano akoye bidio. And so the purpose of the loan is say, and you be a school semester in the beginning yana ba, so all the best support to fees and a utia, so all the better textbooks, all the better day. And so school for able to share nimu na yako yeshi buada. Say
me say me na Bible nkan say so obi you ohwe for adwuma onye nipa anya no ho asem nka ne ho asem no personal issue it is obi ba de o man nyina portfolio be hye ne nsa na okotena ho a if you have personal issues personal life emma office na okotena na incompatible ye ni hu kwan say ebusa wa na ye ka ho asem na Ghana fo ohun say de yete
eno atapoku twe emergency bibi so aba bankumbo ne Richard Anane
yes
busa no say wafa o yirechi da na
yes
o ba wo yirechi ena Anane ne yireti na chi o
yes out of where you have a child
eno say ane eno say ebrebe de siye owie na bankumbo ka say anyone want say we a health minister na okọ amanone akọ ACE conference na HIV conference no na wokoshia oba ne kwotwe prama na nyinsan enti no sa na si ya na na ne say yes sa sama wo ka no me yire kra wo ya we onim bibia anti no enye problem Kombo went further to say Anane has shown and proven say he's honest.
And that is
in the full glare of
the public,
TV and radio.
So
sometimes I am a bit unsaid. The Gen Z generation doesn't know these things. And in a year, say, now me my personal life there. You see, when you come to the public space, you don't have a personal life.
You don't have it. How
No,
can you
no.
have personal life whilst you
And maybe if he said, I found your marking and he say, Sam George. Now, or putting Sam George to proof of arrogance or otherwise.
Yeah. Oh, and he did it.
But Sam George didn't catch it. He thought he was also going to show
and all
that.
Yes.
And they would know be and Sam George. Young boys generate some so the guy is too arrogant. That's the way they put across. And it didn't help.
And you see, and these are all the strategies.
Okuja tore up on everything. People say he was on top of his game.
You see,
he did so well.
Okuja will answer you, will evade what he has to evade, and you will hide what he has to hide. And that is maturity. That is the point. What I have to evade, I will evade.
He will go about it, grammar.
You think you can be saucy, you can be,
cheeky and
all that. But you see, once you do that, it is not to the person who is
asking
the
you.
question.
It is to the public.
And the public. And the image you count for yourself at that point. Go be a help. And media the ECOSO vetting committee,
the attitude of the members of parliament, do you condemn?
No, it should be condemned roundly without any equivocation.